Today, we're going to be talking about hormone optimization, and we're mainly going to be focusing on estrogen and testosterone and their derivatives.
Testosterone, a crucial hormone, is mainly produced in men's testicles and smaller amounts in women's ovaries. It significantly impacts physical traits and sexual growth and promotes sperm production, all while enhancing sex drive. In addition to its reproductive roles, testosterone affects how the brain perceives effort and reward, making physical work satisfying and motivating. This hormone, closely associated with dopamine, fosters a sense of pleasure and satisfaction in daily tasks. Its effects go beyond the individual, influencing social interactions and competitive behaviors. Testosterone plays a crucial element in vitality and motivation in both males and females. Testosterone and dopamine aren't merely hormonal neighbors, they are long-standing companions on our evolutionary path. They are deeply linked with survival and motivation, compelling us to expend effort and pursue rewards. Prolactin, the opposite of testosterone, is a hormone that can make individuals feel quiescent and less motivated to pursue activities. Essentially, testosterone encourages competitive and foraging behaviors in both humans and non-human mammals. The very act of competition can trigger an increase in androgens like testosterone. In the animal kingdom, males with elevated testosterone levels often attract more female mates, emphasizing the crucial role this hormone plays in the mating dynamics. But what about humans? Our testosterone levels go through intriguing fluctuations across our lifespans. They remain relatively low pre-puberty, surge during puberty, and gradually decrease at approximately 1% per year, albeit with some exceptions. Testosterone isn't just about motivation and mating, it also affects our emotional well-being. In some species of males, it's known to lower stress and anxiety levels. It helps us to confront life's obstacles with a calmer disposition. Furthermore, the increase in testosterone levels drives individuals within a species to engage more intensely in activities like foraging, seeking novelty, and pursuing potential mates. These behaviors are essential to our biological drive, compelling us to explore, discover, and connect with others. When it comes to sexual desire or libido, testosterone is a key player. It drives the pursuit of sexual activity in males. It's essential to recognize that estrogen levels also play a substantial role in influencing libido. Inadequate estrogen or an imbalance between estrogen and testosterone can result in a decrease in libido. Insufficient estrogen levels or an imbalance between estrogen and testosterone can contribute to the decline in sexual desire. On the flip side, in females, elevated levels of estrogen enhance receptivity to mating, highlighting the intricate interplay of hormones in our pursuit of intimacy. Andrew Huberman's insights indeed provide a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between sexual activity and testosterone. These insights certainly offer a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between sexual activity and testosterone. These insights can provide valuable perspectives on how to leverage this connection for improved well-being and overall health. The intricate connection between dopamine, pleasure, and sexual activity is noteworthy, and the surge of dopamine during sex highlights its significance. After ejaculation, the release of prolactin initiates a refractory period, during which males can engage in further sexual activity for a specific duration. However, the act of sexual behavior itself leads to a remarkable 70% increase in testosterone levels. Even the mere observation of sexual activity results in a modest 10% boost in testosterone levels. This interplay between hormones and sexual behavior sheds light on the complex nature of human physiology. Perhaps the most intriguing insight is the impact of sexual abstinence. Abstaining from ejaculation for a week or more can remarkably increase testosterone levels by up to 400%. This insight sheds light on how sexual abstinence can influence our hormone balance, offering a new perspective on how we can optimize testosterone levels naturally. The experience of becoming a parent transforms lives and has a significant effect on testosterone levels. Expectant fathers, in particular, face a notable change, with a 50% decrease in free and bound testosterone levels. This shift, influenced by the upcoming responsibilities of fatherhood, emphasizes the intricate connection between our hormones and life events. Moreover, weight gain in men with pregnant partners is not mere sympathy weight. It's a result of reduced testosterone and cortisol levels coupled with increased estradiol and prolactin. These changes are a testament to the complex interplay of hormones in response to significant life events. Illness, a temporary disruption in the body's equilibrium, can have a marked impact on testosterone levels. In males, disease significantly reduces testosterone levels and diminishes the desire to seek mates. It highlights the sensitivity of our hormonal balance to our health.
So let's get back to behaviors that can help optimize hormone levels. One of the main behaviors that's been shown to be associated with poor levels of estrogen relative to age-matched controls for people with ovaries, or lower levels of testosterone compared to age-matched controls for people with testes, is apnea.
Huberman highlights the importance of proper sleep, a cornerstone of maintaining healthy hormone levels, including testosterone and estrogen. Quality sleep, he emphasizes, can offset reductions in fertility and maintain overall well-being. Proper breathing during sleep is crucial in this context. Huberman underscores that sleep apnea, characterized by poor breathing efficiency, adversely impacts sex hormone levels. Apnea increases carbon dioxide levels in the body, which, in turn, decreases testosterone and estrogen levels. Patterns of breathing during sleep hold the potential to modify hormones in both males and females. Deep sleep and REM sleep, the essential stages of rest, play a pivotal role in normalizing hormones. When apnea is reduced or eliminated, cortisol, a stress hormone, is adequately regulated, and estrogen and testosterone find their equilibrium. Huberman advocates nasal breathing as a practical solution. Nasal breathing not only enhances the cosmetic aspects of the mouth and jaw, but also widens sinuses, improves lung capacity, and reduces apnea during sleep. In exercise, Huberman extends his insights to the art of breathing. With a few exceptions, such as swimmers and those engaged in maximum effort, he advises individuals to learn to breathe through the nose while exercising. This simple adjustment can significantly impact hormonal balance. Another often underestimated factor in optimizing hormone levels is light exposure. Andrew Huberman's research indicates that light can have a direct effect on hormones, libido, and fertility. Increased exposure to sunlight directly stimulates dopamine production in the brain. As dopamine levels rise, it indirectly boosts melanocytes, a type of skin cell, leading to increased testosterone and estrogen levels. It's essential to ensure a sufficient amount of bright light exposure to optimize your testosterone and estrogen. However, the key here is that the light should enter your eyes, not just your skin. Huberman advises getting 2 to 10 minutes of bright light exposure in your eyes early in the day. This slight adjustment can go a long way in optimizing your hormone levels. Conversely, avoid light exposure in the middle of the night as it hinders dopamine release and downstream testosterone release. This further underscores the importance of balanced light exposure and its direct connection to our hormonal balance. It's also vital to understand that sleep deprivation and excessive light exposure at night can suppress testosterone and estrogen levels. Thus, before considering supplements or dietary changes to optimize hormone levels, it's imperative to prioritize proper sleep and light viewing behaviors.
Okay, so we've talked about breathing, we've talked about light. Let's talk about a third element that there seems to be some excitement about lately. For other reasons, but that can actually have some pretty profound influences on hormone levels, and that's heat and cold.
The temperature might not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about hormone optimization, but it's a factor that can have a surprisingly positive impact on sex hormones. Huberman explains the effect of temperature on sex hormones, highlighting the interplay between cooling and heating in optimizing testosterone and estrogen levels. Ovaries and testes, heavily vascularized organs, are profoundly influenced by temperature. Cooling these organs shuts down neurons that control the entry of blood and hormones into the gonads. When these gonads are reheated, they are stimulated to release more estrogen or testosterone. However, excessive heat is detrimental to sperm production and sperm health, underscoring the importance of controlled cold exposure. Cold exposure, in the form of ice baths, cold showers, or cold water swims, emerges as a practical and effective means to optimize hormone levels. This revelation highlights the therapeutic potential of something as simple as a cold shower in our quest for hormonal balance.
Now let's talk about particular forms of exercise and how they modulate the steroid hormones.
Exercise, an integral part of a healthy lifestyle, has a significant influence on hormone levels. Andrew Huberman's insights highlight the profound impact of heavyweight training, which can lead to the best increases in testosterone for 24 hours. Heavyweight training, performed at intensities ranging from 70% to 95% of your maximum capacity, effectively optimizes testosterone levels. It underscores the role of exercise in nurturing hormonal health. Interestingly, it's not just the activity itself. The order of your training matters, too. When endurance activity is performed first, it can lead to decreased testosterone levels. To maximize your testosterone levels, Huberman recommends prioritizing weight training before cardio or endurance activities. If you're on a split schedule, separating lifting and endurance days, there's no adverse effect on your testosterone levels. Our testosterone and estrogen levels fluctuate across our lifespan, but there are lifestyle factors and supplements that can significantly impact these levels. Andrew Huberman delves into the role of various supplements in the optimization of sex hormone levels. Vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, and creatine, according to Huberman, have striking data supporting their role in optimizing sex hormone levels. However, Huberman offers a word of caution regarding opioids, which dramatically reduce levels of testosterone and estrogen. Before taking on any supplement or making significant changes to sex steroid hormones, Huberman advises getting blood work done for safety reasons. It not only ensures the effectiveness of the changes, but also safeguards against potential risks. Huberman doesn't stop at conventional supplements. He sheds light on non-traditional supplements like creatine, tonkat ali, stinging nettles, boron, and testosterone. While tonkat ali and boron have the potential to increase free testosterone levels, excess intake may lead to side effects. Similarly, Phaedogia agrestis, another non-traditional supplement, may increase luteinizing hormone and testosterone or estrogen levels. However, it is essential to have blood work done before taking these supplements. Understanding Huberman's wisdom, we can achieve heightened motivation, vitality, and a deep sense of fulfillment. We can harness the transformative potential of optimal testosterone levels and step into a world where our most significant potential knows no bounds. If you found this information on boosting your testosterone levels valuable, hit that like button to show your support. Share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on optimizing your well-being.